Reconciliation is an accounting tool that helps you compare two sets of financial records to check if the numbers are correct and in agreement, also known as matched. This feature is currently available for all US-based Pro plans and higher. If you'd like to learn how to reconcile your bank accounts in TenantCloud, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, make sure your online payments are set up in TenantCloud and that you are connected to at least one verified bank account. For your security, your accounts are connected through a third party and your financial data is never stored. Next, go to the reconciliation page and select the account you want to reconcile. Click the Start link or plus New Reconciliation to activate the feed and upload your bank statement records. Select the transaction dates. TenantCloud will then automatically download your historical transactions from that date up to today and total them to give you the balance. This is a dynamic report. If information within your account has changed, that change will reflect on this report and all other reports in TenantCloud. You can manually refresh this feed anytime or set it up to update automatically once a day in the Actions menu. Next, you'll see general report information, such as your statement balance, which is the total income and expense payments from your bank statement. Your account balance shows all the income and expense payments that have been entered and linked to a bank account. Next, get ready to compare your transactions in TenantCloud with the transactions in your bank statement. You want to reach a difference of $0 between both accounts. Head to the Account Registry tab to find payments that need to or have recently been reconciled. The reconciliation icon shows if there's a bank statement match. Make sure you have linked your bank payments. If not, you can connect them in bulk. Click the Not Linked tab to view unassociated bank payments and connect them. You can also filter by property, payer, etc. If you manually enter payments, don't forget to select the payment account. The Bank Statement tab displays the list of payments from your bank. To make it more convenient, these records are split into different filtered lists. The To Review list highlights the payments that need matching. The Ignored list displays untracked payments. Use the Ignore feature to remove irrelevant transactions from your feed and balance calculations. The Matched list shows the progress made. You can view the reconciled icon to see the linked payment. All displays the list of all bank statement records. If you need to fix a reconciled transaction, you can undo it by viewing the record in the Related tab, Matched, Ignored. Click the three-dot menu for additional options. Now let's finish the process of matching your transactions. Go to the To Review tab to see the transactions that need matching. Each record includes a state, status, amount, and description. Keep in mind these records may vary according to your bank, and you can always add an additional note on each transaction if necessary. Now click Match. If the records match, you will see it under the selected bank statement record. Sometimes there are multiple transactions that match, so most likely transactions are suggested. Check the box and click the Match button. If a match does not show up that should, adjust the filters to change the search range. If no match is found, adjust the date range filters or create new income or expense transactions by clicking the Create New button. To create a new payment to match the bank statement record, select the appropriate transaction type, property-related or general, the payer/payee, lease, and the category. Click the Create Payment button. The invoice will be auto-created as well. Note that the amount and the type, income, expense of the transaction must match. If you need to reconcile one bank statement entry with multiple payments in TenantCloud, you can select multiple checkboxes of the allocated payments, or you can click plus Create New Payments to match the bank entry. Repeat the process for all multi-line transactions until the total amount matches the transaction amount. Keep in mind, you may have transactions outside of your bank account. In this case, make sure you keep a total record of all transactions. For instance, bank fees may bring your balance down. Make sure you enter those deductions into the expense account to bring everything back in line. We recommend reconciling your bank accounts regularly, especially before filing your taxes. Monthly, weekly, or daily reconciliation will keep your accounts accurate and up to date.